Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to get a verification code. Start by confirming you're signed into your Apple ID on a trusted device and that two-factor authentication is enabled. Once done, open Settings, iPhone/iPad, or System Settings on Mac, tap your name, then Password and Security. Make sure a current trusted phone number is listed. This is where codes can be sent by SMS. If you prefer device codes, keep the trusted device unlocked and nearby because it can display codes instantly. Now request the code. On iPhone or iPad, go to Password and Security and tap Get Verification Code. On Mac, open System Settings, choose Apple ID, then Password and Security and select Get Verification Code. Why this matters? Device-generated codes are immediate and don't rely on cellular networks, while SMS works if you're signed out of devices. Once the code appears, copy it exactly. Codes are time-limited, so move quickly to the app or sign-in window where you need to paste it. Finish by entering the 6-digit code into the Apple ID sign-in prompt. Be precise because codes expire quickly. After successful entry, you can choose to trust the device so future sign-ins are smoother. Only do this on personal devices. If the code fails, wait 30 seconds, then request a new one or choose Receive SMS instead. Troubleshooting tip: if codes never arrive, sign into your account on a trusted device and use Get Verification Code, or verify your trusted phone number and network connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.